Hey friends, if you want to know how you can turn off the keyboard sound for your on-screen keyboard on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So in some cases that some of your keys on your keyboard is not working and you're going to use your on-screen keyboard, then let me show you first on how you can use your on-screen keyboard. Now click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Accessibility. Scroll down and look for Keyboard under Interaction. Sticky, Filter, and Toggle keys on screen keyboard. Click on that. Now you'll find here the on-screen keyboard. So switch this button on and the on-screen keyboard will appear. So this is a substitute for your keyboard. If some of the keys on your keyboard is not working, then you can simply use your on-screen keyboard. Now here on your on-screen keyboard, once you click on it, you will hear that sound whenever you try to click or whenever you click in any of the keys right here. Now this could be very annoying as it will really create a sound once you create or once you click on any of the keys right here. So every time you click on one keys, then it will really create a sound. Now, if this is annoying you and you want to simply turn off the sound of your on-screen keyboard, then there's no problem for that. Here in the on-screen keyboard, you need to look for the options button. You can find this here. That is the first option in this side. On the right side, options, help, and fade. Click on the options button. Now here in the options button, you will find a lot of options right here, including this use click sound. Use click sound, if you find that, so if this is enabled, then you have a keyboard sound for your on-screen keyboard. So we are going to disable or turn off this, so simply uncheck this box and click on OK. Now let's try clicking into our on-screen keyboard. And this time, you will not hear that sound for the on-screen keyboard. It's just the sound of the windows. So when you click on this, you will no longer hear the sound because you have just turned off the sound for your on-screen keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.